So this is going to be a very easy DIY, and I'm sure some of you had seen these windows from Target. They were $3 each, and I'm going to be using 4 of them. And I'm just going to glue them together, so I have one on each side. Now I did paint mine white, but this is a step you can totally skip and just leave it the unfinished wood. And I'm attaching them using some wood glue in the center, and then I just put some hot glue on the top and bottom so that I don't have to fight with this to stand while it dries. So the wood glue will really be more of a stronger hold, but the hot glue will allow it to stand while it dries. So here we have 4 of them put together. And I took these wood planks. I got these right from the Dollar Tree. They came 6 in a pack for $1. And I took my hot glue and I connected 2 of them together. And then I just took a small popsicle stick and put it in the center crease. And I put that aside. I took my drill gun and I drilled a hole in the top of each window. And now I have these artificial pine stems. You can get a pack of them right from Hobby Lobby, and I have seen them a few times at the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to hook them through the drilled holes. Now here I'm just taking a hook and just wrapping the pine stem around the bottom of it, and then attaching the pine stem to the other drilled hole. So now we just have this hook in the center of the pine stems. I set that aside and I took some Wise Owl dry thyme and these wood trees that I found from Dollar General. They're like a 3D wood tree, and it came 2 in a pack. I believe they were $2. And I painted both the front and back of each tray. And I just set those aside to dry, and I went back to my wood planks that we had glued together, and I painted that using some Wise Owl Snow Owl. I went back to my trees, and with a little bit of the Snow Owl on a brush, I just dry brushed it on top of the trees on both the front and back side. And then you just slide them together, and now you have these really cute wood trees. And I did that to both pairs. And now I'm going to take the big one and glue it to the left side of the wood planks. And then I'm going to take the smaller one and glue it to the right side, kind of in front of the taller one. I got this cute little snowman from Walmart, and I glued him in the front. And then I just glued my windows to the base that we made. And now we just have this rustic farmhouse lantern that we made from the Target windows. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can check out some other tutorials over on our webpage as well. Have a great day.